Hello, Mark Sturdy here again with another snippet from our weekly survey of major world markets. And this week, I was slightly spoilt for choice. Things have changed. Clarity has returned to some markets, short, medium, and long. That's when the short charts, the medium-term charts, and the long-term charts are all pushing in the same direction. And we see a bit of that clarity in the dollar-euro, the dollar-yen, the German bond yields, which we think are going to go down, and the oil and the gold. And this week, which of these, I wondered which to choose, and I think the dollar-yen is perhaps a very nice and interesting, clear example of the long, the medium, and the short term all pushing in the same direction. Here is the monthly spot chart, and the market has tested and fallen back, both from the 51.94 high, the recent high, a great weakness of the yen, and it has gone up and fallen beneath 147.63, which was the previous very weak position of the yen in the 1990s. So it seems to me to have failed both at this level and that level is an interesting long-term setup and makes the yen look rather vulnerable. If we look at the weekly chart, we see this is to do with the recent high of 151.94, obviously there. It has touched and tested both that level and the prior high close. This was never closed up there. The market did close above this level in this recent bout. This is the previous high close, 148.74. So the market's tested both the prior high, traded high, and also has fallen back beneath the prior recent high close. We think it's significant. Cautious bears will wait for the yen. Of cautious bulls of the yen, bears of the dollar, will wait for a breakdown through 145. This is the yen strengthening from a big weakening trend. And we think the strengthening yen and the weakening dollar against it is interesting and set to continue. And the reason why we think that is we think there may be a little top formation in the short-term charts. This is the daily spot. The market pushed up. It's not that clear, but it is there, we think. Here is a shoulder, here is a head, there is another head, and here is another shoulder. And, this, we think, completes, or has the strongest possibility of completing, a double-headed head and shoulders reversal in the short-term chart to act as a catalyst to drive this market lower, certainly to test 145.07, probably to drive through it, because of the vulnerability set up by the failure at this 151.94, 147.63 prior highs. Let's see what happens. Thanks very much.